I'd been stewing, and it's always been a dream of mine to be in a van. Having coffee in the morning with the door open in the van is going to be one of my new favorite things. I started cooking when I was super young, watching my grandmother cook a lot, my mom cook a lot, and I was just so fascinated by how food just brings so much pleasure to people and how easy it is to share. I'm Derek. I'm from Austin, Texas right now. I have spent my life cooking and developing recipes and developing methods to cook healthier and how to live a healthier lifestyle. When I was watching my grandmother cook all the time, we're from an Italian family. Always had a pot of sauce on, always having some kind of like massive, no matter when I went over her house, there was just food out on the table. It was amazing. And to learn how she cooked it from a young age to pass it on to me is priceless. I started practicing and teaching myself how to cook more plant-based because I was so sick of like hippie style food. Not that there's anything wrong with it, but I need a lot of flavor. And as a chef, for me to eat more plant-based and healthier and less animal products, I needed to develop a way to cook that was still super cool to me because I love the iron, the fire, the cast iron, the knives. I just love the whole act of cooking. And I love that act, and I love giving. So I love to be able to cook and feed people and serve people because it's just a benefit. And it's a way to really bring people together, build community, and have that connection that we're losing so much of today. I'd been stewing, and it's always been a dream of mine to be in a van. I had a vision of designing somewhat of a mobile kitchen, not like a food truck, but more like a van like I'm in now, of how I could cook inside and out and just travel the US. I want to go to animal sanctuaries, mushroom grows, farms like we are here, and just support and use the products that they're making and help support them on my YouTube channel and cook and show how amazing food is and how it brings people together. And if I can just do that and it's a benefit to anybody, I will be happy. And that happens in the van. So I'll show you around the van. I designed the interior to be the kitchen part, to be more chef-like, more chef style. And then I just had installed this amazing back kitchen that can pull out, and I can grill and cook outside, so I can just roll up to your farm, pick some of your fresh produce, and serve you a meal. Nice, beautiful coloring. Both sides, beautiful. Drift Vans also has tons of connects, so anything you want to do in the van, if they can't do it themselves, they have other companies like we're working with Overlander, who helped design, customize this pull-out kitchen for me. Completely stainless steel, slides all the way out so I can cook away from the van, but yet still be right there. It's on the van. But it's such a cool little aspect, man. If I was able to still go to dead shows, guarantee I'd be selling burritos at those things. You know? Yeah. Oh, yeah. my honest advice, if you're looking to buy a van, take your time with it, do some research. Definitely check out drifter vans, especially if you want anything custom. They're amazing to work with, but honestly, just take your time. You know, the process for me took 3 to 4 months tops, and it was perfect for when I got back to the US. The van was ready. I picked it up right when I landed and drove that to Austin. And now I've had it for a few months, and I've been just adding to it and figuring out how the whole method of me working and cooking and traveling is gonna work out. And I'm just super happy and I'm just grateful for everything that they've done and that's gonna happen. Super cool.